So now we're going to look at the 2 Metre Pro Plus window cleaning kit sold by Window Washing. This kit consists of a 35 centimeter T-bar covered by a 35 centimeter machine washable lamb's wool sleeve. This kit also comes with a replacement sleeve for the washer. This is also machine washable. A 35 centimeter stainless steel squeegee complete with rubber blade for the squeegee, and a 71 centimeter replacement rubber blade for the squeegee. You cut this in half and you have two 35 centimeters. This kit also consists of a 15-litre window cleaning bucket. This bucket will allow you to dip your 35 centimeter washer in and submerge it completely. And of course, a 2 meter window cleaning pole. A key feature on the Window Washing telepoles that we sell is the fact that you can put the washer on the end of the cone, and you'll be able to remove it relatively easily with enough friction to be able to allow it to stay on the cone. So to illustrate, if you're cleaning a window, say 2 meters up, this will allow you to, and maybe the day is hot, this will allow you to be able to soap up the glass with the washer, then pull down the pole, pull off the washer, and be able to put on the squeegee relatively quickly. And this is a key feature that enables you to be able to clean easily and effectively. So this is the 2 Metre Pro Plus window cleaning kit sold by Window Washing.